If you're seeing the itch.io error 12,000 or a JSON-RPC error inside the app, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get itch.io working again. This issue is often caused by a temporary connection problem, a blocked network, a VPN conflict, or corrupted cached data. And the good news is that most people can solve it in just a few minutes without any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and app troubleshooting guides. Now, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is restart itch.io completely. Close the app fully, not just minimize it, and then open it again. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh the connection between the app and the service. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is stable, and try opening a website in your browser to confirm that your connection is actually working. Sometimes the app shows this error when your network drops for just a moment, so testing the connection is an important first step. If your internet seems fine, the next fix is to turn off your VPN if you're using one. VPNs can sometimes interfere with itch.io's connection and cause JSON-RPC errors, especially if the app cannot verify the route properly. After disabling the VPN, relaunch itch.io and check if the error is gone. If it still happens, move on to clearing the cache. Cached files to become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop the app from loading correctly. Depending on your system, you may need to clear itch.io's stored data or app cache from the relevant settings or local files. Once the cache has been cleared, reopen the app and test it again. Another very effective fix is to log out of your itch.io account and then log back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve authentication errors that may be triggering error 12,000. Sign out completely, close the app, open it again, and sign back in with your account details. In many cases, that alone is enough to get everything working again. If you've gone through all of these steps and the error still remains, try repeating the process once more after a full system restart. Sometimes your computer needs a fresh reboot to clear background network conflicts or stuck app processes. So to quickly recap, restart itch.io, check your internet connection, turn off your VPN, clear the cache, and log out and log back in. Those 5 steps solve the majority of itch.io error 12,000 and JSON-RPC problems. If this guide helped you fix the issue, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.